Hey everyone, today you find me in this overgrown bog pond. So the job today is to clear this, get this back to water, so let's get started. It's extremely thick, so thick in fact I can walk on it. All this overgrown bog plants. So what I'm going to be doing today is opening this completely up. So I'm going to be cutting all of this back, digging it out and banking it on the side. Now as I've dug the bits out, I'm going to be putting it on the side so all the organisms can come back into the pond. At a later stage it'd be nice to plant it up with some nice lilies and irises, or replant these ones actually further on the bank and hopefully help it establish and get it into a nicer ecosystem. I'm just using a standard saw here just to cut through all the thick roots and shoots really of this bog area. That's what I call overgrown. Come have a look. To say this is heavy is an understatement. It's full of water and just so compacted. Already done that section, but we've got all this left. I think I've got my work cut out for me. The happiest of breaks. Anyone else want to go? You see a bit better now. Just got to be careful around the edges not to cut the pond liner. Same with the fork and the spade. I was like pulling a dead mermaid out of the water. a lovely little gnome. He's a very creepy one-handed gnome. That took longer than I expected. Let's go have a look. Look at that rubbish. And then this stuff that's been dug out, I'm going to leave this on the side for a week. Let any organisms come back into the pond. Now this is a section that's going to need doing as well. Ooh. So this has all got lining. You can see a little bit there. So the lining goes all the way up these rhodesias. So it's just going to be, you've got the embankment around that pond, get some plants there. Sort these sides out, dig this channel out here. You can see a bit of the remnants of a basket there for the irises. So yeah, just got to tidy up now and have a shower. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Hope you enjoyed it, found it entertaining or useful in some way. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Egg noodles, anyone?